Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. I'm here with my weekly update using the BITSGAP GRIDTRADING bot. And no, don't get a shock. There's a reason why. Everyone who's been following knows I would have started with 0.143 Bitcoin. And I'm down. Why? What's going on? That's the main question. But look at this. When we put in the 0.143, we put in a total of $5,000 when we started. Yes, my crypto is down currently, but my value is up. Now, what's been happening lately is Bitcoin has been surging up, and the rest of the coins is not following that fast. So, for example, if you take $100 and you buy, for example, one Polkadot, if Bitcoin keeps on climbing and Polkadot keeps on staying more or less than $100, it means when you look at it later on, 0.8 Polkadot might also be worth $100. And that's why the crypto balance came down a little bit. But yes, our US dollar value keeps on rising. And when the market starts catching up with Bitcoin, the moment we reach the 0.143 Bitcoin value again, will probably be around a few $1,000s above the current amount. So that's why the crypto is looking less due to Bitcoin breaking away from the rest. And when they start following it, it will pick up yet again. So let's go and see what we have. We got a small amount of Ethereum available and Bitcoin. But the main thing is, I waited for the week. As you can see, almost all the coins have run out of range. So what we'll do, we'll start with the most value one and break them down, which is BNB BTC. As you can see, it broke down quite a bit early. Looking at the top one, 0.0, that's exactly the same amount. We just copied that amount with the new settings and we'll cancel our BNB trade and restart it. Right, our BNB trade is cancelled. I'm gonna click on start new bot, classic bot, Ucoin, BNB, put the highest amount in, use 50 grids, just go back to exchange. There's no value in orders, so that's perfect. And then amount in, we go. Just let's give it a little bit of room if it does want to drop. There we go. Our 50 is in. We're using the max amount again for preview and confirm. Gonna ask to sell a bit of BNB, which is fine. Yes, I know I'm selling it at a loss, but due to the fact that I'm bringing my grids down, I'm basically using the same amount, keep on working. And my grid step space getting bigger and bigger, meaning each one of these is profit. And when BNB turns around and comes up again, the moment it breaks out at the top, we would have seen a lot more profit. We'll wait for the BNB bot finish. If there's any BNB available, I'll sell that back to Bitcoin, making sure to utilize as much of the crypto in the account to work for me. Looks like it's almost done. We'll also go through the new packages and the structure and my opinion on them. As we can see, the BNB bot has started. Let's go back. Let's see. Available BNB. There's a little bit available. So we'll trade that back to Bitcoin. And with that being back in Bitcoin, we'll use all of them. Make sure get much going as possible. Of course, we're going for that one Bitcoin. When we're going to reach it, time will tell. Let's see it. The second highest one is active. That means it's Ethereum just went up. So let's go to Ethereum. You can see where's the highest one for Ethereum. Ethereum is just 0.8. That's correct. Just copy that amount and we'll cancel the Ethereum bot. Canceling the Ethereum bot. Bot. Choose Ethereum. But Ethereum here going. We'll put in the highest rate. Oh. Okay. All the funds come back. Available. Everything is Ethereum. Everything up here. See our grids. 50 like always. Just move it close to there. With a little bit of room if it does decide to drop more. Playing in it. Go. Here we go. Our Ethereum bot is back in action. Yes, we will be selling a bit of ETH back to Bitcoin. All the buy orders we've added. Give it a few seconds. Go. This. We'll just wait for the bot to start. And while we're waiting, the next one we'll update is XRP. And then we'll do Cardano. Our bots will be active and going again. A new week. Hoping to get back to that massive week profits. And the turnaround. With most of the Bitcoin markets going down, we should see it start going up again. Our ETH bot is on its way and running. Let's get to XRP and get it started. XRP, nice move up and then came back down again. Right. That. Stop our XRP bot. He is stopped. Bot. Will XRP win the court case or will they settle? Leave me your comments. What's your thoughts on it? I reckon they're gonna settle behind closed doors. Time will tell. If all our XRP, let's first trade ETH back so we can utilize maximum. I don't want to lose any funds if it's not necessary. Trade that back to Bitcoin. Go. If it's back in Bitcoin, that means we should have maximum value available to trade with. Amount in. Just get close to it and get a little bit of range. Here we go. Right, XRP is getting going. Selling a bit of XRP for Bitcoin to make sure the buy orders is covered. Get this bot started. While we wait for the bot to get started, let's look at the new packages. This one is still showing the old packages. Oh no, it's showing the new ones. My apologies. So for now, instead of $29, instead of $19, the basic is $29 a month. The difference is it's unlimited amount that can get traded. The advanced, it's still 5 pairs, the grid bots, but you can do the future bots and the trailing up and down also. And the pro has the most changes. Instead of 15 active bots, we now have 20 active bots. In my opinion, I like it. It's a great option because my account is full with 15 bots already. So I can utilize another 5 if I want. And you got the options of grid bot, unlimited smart orders, future bots trailing up and down, and the take profit for bots. But my main opinion is the 20 active bots. That's the biggest change they can make and the most worth value to give back. So let's go back and see. Looking, want to buy a little bit more. XRP bot start yet. Not yet. Let's seconds. There we go. Orders is filled. And the bot should be starting any second now. There we go. Our XRP bot is underway. The white lines will just get colored and that will mean all the orders are placed. We'll wait for the XRP bot to... There we go. The bot has started. Let's see. Bot started. Seems like something went wrong. Just refresh. See what's happening. Right. Let's have a look at it. Right, it's still in balances, so let's just restart the XRP. Amount, place 50 grids. Go, and let's stay this side. Let me not change again. Says, there we go. The bot is active, now it's running. Something didn't go right there. Might have been due to the fact that I've moved the page and moved over looking at the different plans. But let's wait it out. Let's see it gets filled. Let's get the bot started. And then we'll move over to Cardano. Get that back in place and let it run. Our bots will be set up for the week. We just can move further from there. Most bots should be active. There we go. XRP is active. Now it's correct. Put Cardano in place. Be cancel the Cardano. Click on start bot. ADA. Cardano in place. Mount. Or just give it a little bit of range. Does drop anyway. Let's see, is there any available funds? Yes, XRP funds available. We'll switch that over to Bitcoin. We can utilize the maximum amount. Putting there, selling the XRP, getting it about to stall. XRP stalled. And now we just go back to have only funds in Cardano, Bitcoin, and Qcoin. The reason for the Qcoin is just to pay less fees. Let's get the Cardano bot active. So the Cardano bot is back active. We sold a bit of Cardano to Bitcoin to cover the new buy orders we've placed. We'll let the bots activate and our week is under go, and we'll be back next week updating again with our challenge to reach 1 Bitcoin. How long do you think it's going to take? Will the effect of Bitcoin running away make it a longer process, or will the altcoins catch up fast? Cardano's bot is almost finished. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great one. Almost done, last few orders. Then we should see the Cardano bot active and the week is done. Cardano bot active. Take care.